ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 123। जहदजह लक्षणा तृतीयां लक्षयति इन टीका यत्र ही मूलम यत्र ही विशिष्टवाचक शब्दः एकदेशं विहाय एकदेशे वर्तते। यू नो हाउ जहदजह लक्षणा वर्क्स। एकदेशं विहाय, dropping the one part of the word, एकदेशे वर्तते means in one part it functions. तत्र जहदजह लक्षणा यथा सोयम देवदत्त इति। अत्र हि पदद्वय वाच्ययोर विशिष्टयोर ऐक्य अनुपपत्त्या। हि पदद्वय वाच्य सह and अयम विशिष्टयोः ऐक्य अनुपपत्त्या। There is no ऐक्य possible between the विशिष्ट तत्काल विशिष्ट and एतत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त। पदद्वयस्य विशेष्य मात्र परत्वम। So only the visheshya part, Devadatta, is where there is aikya possible. So visheshya matra paratvam padadvayasya. How? Through jahadajah lakshana. यथावा तत्त्वमसि इत्यादौ तत्पदवाच्यस्य सर्वज्ञत्वादि विशिष्टस्य त्वं पदवाच्येन अंतःकरण विशिष्टेन. So सर्वज्ञत्वादि विशिष्ट is तत्पदवाच्य, त्वं पदवाच्य is अंतःकरण विशिष्ट चैतन्य. विशिष्टेन ऐक्य अयोगात् ऐक्य सिद्ध्यर्थम स्वरूपे लक्षणा इति सांप्रदायिकः. सांप्रदायिकः means the विवरणाकार. Who was the विवरणाचार्य?
Prakashatman.
Prakashatman. Then other acharyas like संक्षेप शारीरककार. Who was संक्षेप शारीरककार?
सर्वज्ञात्मनि.
सर्वज्ञात्मनि, all of them. This part we already saw in the last class. See in Tika. Shakyeka desha matra vritti rityartha. In the Shakya ekadesha vritti. Shakya complete is the Vishishta. Ekadesha matra vritti. Udaharana. Udaharanamaha tat soyam devadatta. Tattvamasi ityadikamapi jahadajah lakshana udaharanam sampradayikaihi ashrita ityaha. Yathava. Now, the next two paragraphs in Vedanta Paribhasha, they are not the classical Vedanta part, okay? They are aside from classical Vedanta. So we will just read it, but we are not going to change our thinking. Our thinking is Tattvamasi Mahavakya, which Lakshana is used?
Jahadajah.
Jahadajah. Similarly, Kakebhyo dadirakshatam. Have you heard this sentence? Kakebhyo dadirakshatam.
Yes, Swamiji.
Protect the dadi from Kaka. Which Lakshana we use there?
Ajahal Lakshana.
Ajahal Lakshana. Means Kaka also we want to protect Dadi from Kaka also, you want to protect Dadi from others also. Okay. So Tattvamasi Jahadaja Lakshana. Kakebhyo Didarakshitam Ajaha Lakshana. Here Vedanta Paribhashakar is going to use some different things. We will read it. We don't need to change our fundamental thinking. Okay. See, टीका वयंतु लक्षणां विना एव ऐक्य सिद्ध्यर्थम एवं ब्रूम इत्याह. This is for Tattvamasi. We are not going to use Lakshana. We are just going to use Shakyartha and we will establish Chaitanya. Lakshanam vina eva Aikya Siddhyartham evam bruma vayantu bruma. We say Soyam Devadattaha Moolam Soyam Devadattaha Tattvamasi Ityadau Vishishta Vachaka Padanam Ekadesha Paratve api na Lakshana. Tattvamasi is having Vishishta Vachaka Pada, Tat Pada also and Tvam Pada also. And they are Ekadesha Para. They are only Para in the, their Tatparya is in Chaitanya Matra. Api na Lakshana. Same in Soyam Devadatta also. Then how are you going to do this? Shakti upasthitayor vishishtayor abhed anvaya anupapattau विशेष्ययोः शक्ति उपस्थितयोः एव अभेदान्वय अविरोधात्. शक्ति उपस्थितयोः विशिष्टयोः. थ्रू शक्ति विशिष्ट पद सर्वज्ञत्वादि और माया विशिष्ट चैतन्य एंड अंतःकरण विशिष्ट चैतन्य, they are upasthita in our buddhi. Shakti upasthitayoho vishishtayoho. Between them, abheda anvaya is not possible. Abheda anvaya anupapattau. Visheshayoho shakti upasthitayoho eva abheda anvaya. Abheda anvaya is possible only in the visheshya. What is the visheshya?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya. Chaitanya matra. Abheda anvaya अविरोधात्. टीका ननु लक्षणामृते एकदेश परत्वं कुतः इति अतः. Without lakshana, how ekadesha paratvam? So he said shakti upasthitayoh vishishtayoh ityadi. विशेषयोः शक्ति उपस्थितयोः एव अभेद अन्वय. टीका ननु इदं क्व दृष्टम् इति अपेक्षयामः. Where did you see that where Vishishta Pada is there and only Visheshya will come in your buddhi? Because when you say Soyam Devadatta or Tattvamasi, Pada has Vishishta, but in buddhi only Visheshya will come. Therefore you don't need Lakshana. This is what you are saying. Where did you see this? He gives example. He has beautiful way of thinking. See, this is some originality. Yatha ghato anityah. When you hear this vakya, ghato anitya, घट is घटत्व विशिष्ट घट व्यक्ति. घट will have घटत्व. घटत्व विशिष्ट घट व्यक्ति. In this, what is anitya part?
Ghata.
Only घट is anitya, not घटत्व. So when you say घटो anitya, it is a विशिष्ट pada. घटत्व विशिष्ट घट व्यक्ति. But in your buddhi, only the vishesha part comes when you hear anitya. So is the same thing you do for Tattvamasi or Soyam Devadatta. Why do you have to use Lakshana? घटो अनित्य इत्यत्र घटपदवाच्य एकदेश घटत्वस्य अयोग्यत्वे अपि. Why? Because ghatatva is not anitya. Therefore, the anityatva will belong only to ghata part, not to ghatatva part. Ghatapada vachya ekadesha ghatattvasya ayogyatve api yogya ghata vyaktya saha anityatva anvaya. So, what is yogya for anvaya as far as anityatva is concerned? Only ghata, not ghatatva. Like that, in Soyam Devadatta or Tattvamasi, what is yogya for anvaya when it comes to Aikya? Only Devadatta Vyakti or Chaitanya Matra. Tika. स्वतंत्रस्य एव अन्वय योग्यत्वात् यत्र पदार्थ एकदेशस्य शक्त्या एव स्वातंत्र्येण उपस्थितिः न तत्र लक्षणा. स्वतंत्रस्य एव अन्वय योग्यत्वात्. स्वतंत्र पद alone is for अन्वय योग्य. घटत्व विशिष्ट घट, in that only घट is अन्वय योग्य with anitya. So ghata independently will have anvaya with anitya. Swatantrasya eva anvaya yogyatvat. Yatra padartha ekadeshasya shaktya eva swatantrena upasthitihi na tatra lakshana. So that padartha ekadesha upasthiti is happening on its own without lakshana. Ghato anitya, I don't do lakshana and then understand. Only padartha ekadesha upasthiti is happening through shakti vritti. Therefore, I don't need or I don't use lakshana vritti. So, no other text has used this. He has used this example. And therefore, he says Tattvamasi does not need Lakshana. So, obviously, for most people who have not studied Vedanta Paribhasha and all, they will not understand what is said. But this is a different thinking. Yatra tu tasya shaktya visheshanataya upasthitihi. Where through Shakti only Visheshanataya upasthiti is there, tasya swatantriya upasthitaye lakshana svika. So where through Shakti, Vishesha is not independently coming to my buddhi, along with Visheshana, it is coming to my buddhi, or only Visheshana part is coming to my buddhi, then I need lakshana in Vishesha. और स्वतंत्र उपस्थिति स्वातंत्र्य उपस्थितये तस्य लक्षणा स्वीक्रियते. मूलम यत्र पदार्थैकदेशस्य विशेषणतया उपस्थितिः तत्रैव स्वातंत्र्येण उपस्थितये लक्षणा अभ्युपगमः. Where पदार्थ एकदेशस्य विशेषणतया उपस्थिति, it is available only as विशेषण or विशिष्ट, then for स्वातंत्र्येण उपस्थिति you have to use लक्षण. लक्षण अभ्युपगमः. यथा घटो नित्यः. If somebody says घटो नित्यः, then घटपदस्य लक्षण you do in घटत्व. इति अत्र घटपदात् घटत्वस्य शक्त्या स्वातंत्र्येण अनुपस्थित्या. घटत्व स्वतंत्रेण उपस्थित is not there. घटपदात् घटत्वस्य शक्त्या स्वातंत्र्येण अनुपस्थित्या तादृश उपस्थित्यर्थं घटपदस्य घटत्व लक्षण. For that उपस्थिति घटपदस्य लक्षण in घटत्व. he says. Means he says, I will tell you where we will use Lakshana. If you hear statement like Ghato Nityaha, Ghato Nityaha, Tatparya Anvaya is not possible. Tatparya Anupapatti. He will give Tatparya Anupapatti. Not Anvaya Anupapatti is the reason for Lakshana. Okay. Next page. Uktam Artham Prakriti Yojayati. So now, in the Prakriti, means in the current topic, Tattvamasi, there is no Lakshana according to Paribhashakar. Evameva Tattvamasi ityadi vakya api na Lakshana. Shaktya स्वातंत्र्येण उपस्थितयोः तत्वं पदार्थयोः अभेद अन्वये बाधक अभावात्. Through Shakti, Tattvam Padartha Upasthiti which is happening, in them Abheda Anvaye will happen only in the Chaitanya. So there is no Badhaka for that, Badhaka Abhavat. Tika. Vipakshe Badhakam Aha. So if you say there is no Badhaka in Tattvamasi without Lakshana, then where is Badhaka? Somebody will ask a question. So you say Anyatha Badhakam, Anyatha Gehe Ghato Kama, Ghate Rupam Kama, Ghatam Anaya Ityadau Ghatatva Gehatvader Abhimata Anvaya Bodha Ayogyataya Tatrapi Ghatadi Padanam विशेष्य मात्र परत्वम लक्षणया एव स्यात्. गेहे घट, गेहे गृहे. In the house there is ghata. So in them घटत्व गेहत्वादेः अभिमत अन्वय बोध अयोग्यतया. गेहे घट, Ghata, Geha is, Griha is Grihatva, Ghata is Ghatatva. So Gehatva, Ghatatva, Adehe, Abhimata, their Anvaya Bodha Ayogyataya, Tatrapi Ghatadi Padanam Vishesha Matra Paratvam Lakshanaya Eva Syat. There in these cases also you will have to use Lakshana. But we don't use Lakshana. This Paribhashakar says, we don't use Lakshana there, and therefore, in Tattvamasi also, there is no need of Lakshana. Then there is a question in Tika. Tarhi Tattvamasiadi Vakye Kimiti Acharya Lakshana Svikrita iti Ashankya. Then why other Acharyas have accepted Lakshana in Tattvamasi if you are saying we don't need? तस्मात् तत्त्वमसि इत्यादि वाक्येषु आचार्याणां लक्षणा उक्तिः अभ्युपगमवादेन बोध्या. It is only abhyupagama. Abhyupagama means because you are saying therefore we will use lakshana. Otherwise you are saying means some Purvapakshas they say no, how the only Chaitanya comes to your buddhi because Vishishta Chaitanya comes to buddhi. Therefore, he says, let us use Lakshana. Otherwise, he says, there is no need. Shakti Vritti, when the Anvaya is possible in Ekadesha of the Shabdas, you don't need Lakshana Vritti. This is what his thinking is. So Tattvamasi Soyam Devadatta, no Lakshana, according to him. Which are the examples for us? For Jahadajahal Lakshana. Both these are examples for Jahadajahal. He said there is no need. So now the question is, Tarhi Jahadajahal Lakshana Udaharana Abhavat Kim Naiva Abhyupeya Iti Ashankya. Now there is no example. Jahadajahal Lakshana. According to Naiva Abhyupeya means you don't accept this Lakshana only. Jahadajahal Lakshana, there is no need, because everything which is learned through Jahadajahal Lakshana, you have covered it in Shakti Vritti. So he says, no, I need Jahadajahal Lakshana. For what? Jahadajahal Lakshana Udaharanam tu Kakebhyo Dadi Rakshatam Ityadeva. Now you have to remember, Kakebhyo Dadi Rakshatam is Ajahal Lakshana Drashtanta. Otherwise, all other acharyas have used Ajahal Lakshana. He says it is Jahadaja. How? Somehow he proves. You have to give him this much credit, you know. He is not someone who has not studied other acharyas. He has studied all previous acharyas. He has studied Bhashyakara. He has heard all examples. And he has the respect for all acharyas. And he is saying here, it is no Lakshana for Tattvamasi, Jahadaja Lakshana for Kakebhyo Dadi Rakshana. You need some courage and credibility to write these things. Means it is very easy to just say, you know, let's skip these 4 pages and move on, because we are not going. Yes, that is also okay. It's a different way of thinking. That's why in Vedanta, if Prakriya Bheda is there, we don't have problem. Tatparya Bheda should not be there. Tatra Shakya Kaka Parityagena Ashakya Dadi Upaghatakatva Puraskarena Kake api Kaka Shabdasya Parabhaya. And Ashakyartha is Dadi Upaghataka. Ashakyartha means what is not given in the sentence. That anybody who is Dadi Upaghataka, you drop the word Kaka and you apply it in Dadi Upaghataka. As part of Dadi Upaghataka, Kaka also will be included. And Akaka also will be included. So Dadi Upaghatakatva Puraskarena Kake Akake api Kaka Shabdasya Prabhu. Did you understand what he is saying?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
See Tika now. He gives another example, Chatrino Yanti. Chatrino Yanti is which Lakshana?
Ajahal Lakshana.
Ajahal Lakshana. Chatrinaha Yanti, Achatrinaha api Yanti. So, instead he says it is Jahadajahal Lakshana Drashna. See further in Tika. Nanu. Shakyaika Desha Matra Avrittitvam. Hi etal Lakshanam. Tacha atra na ayati. शक्यैकदेश मात्र अवृत्तित्वम. This lakshanam does not go in काकेभ्यो दधिरक्षताम. शक्य एकदेश. In kaka, what is ekadesha? If you change kaka into dadi upaghataka, then you have ekadesha as kaka, anya desha as akaka. शक्य एकदेश मात्र अवृत्ति. In kaka there is only ekadesha. Therefore शक्य एकदेश मात्र अवृत्तित्वम. अवृत्ति और वृत्ति, what is there in टीका?
Vrittitvam is there, Swamiji.
शक्य एकदेश मात्र वृत्तित्वम. Not avrittitvam. Shakya ekadesha matra vrittitvam. So Shakya ekadesha matra vrittitvam is not possible in only the kakebhya shabda. So this lakshana will not go in Shakya ekadesha matra vrittitvam. Yeta lakshanam taccha atra na ayati. Shwadehi kakaika deshatva abhava. Because shwan, dogs, etc., they are not in ekadesha of kaka. Iti ashankya asman mate na idam etad lakshanam. This is not the lakshana for us. For jahada jahal lakshana. Kintu shakya ashakya gochara vrittitvam. Instead of shakya ekadesha matra vritti, we say shakya ashakya gochara vrittitvam. Tacha upta udaharane asti. Shakya ashakya gochara vrittitvam. So dadi upaghataka, once you do lakshana, then shakya kaka is also included. Akaka is also included. शक्य काक परित्यागेन अशक्य दधि उपघातकत्व पुरस्कारेण काके अकाके अपि काक शब्दस्य प्रवृत्ते. टिप्पणी नंबर 1. अंश विशेष परित्यागेन अंश विशेष प्रत्यायकत्वं जहद अजहल लक्षणात्वं. दिस इज सांप्रदायिक सम्मतम लक्षणम. अंश विशेष परित्यागेन अंश विशेष प्रत्यायकत्वं. So one part of it is given up, another part is retained. This is jahada jahal lakshanatvam. Tasya kakebhyo dadirakshyatam iti atra avyaptihi. Kakebhyo dadirakshyatam. Iti atra avyaptihi. Avyapti kasya?
Jahada jahal lakshana.
कस्य लक्षणस्य. और किम प्रकारकम लक्षणम. दिस लक्षण अंश विशेष परित्यागेन अंश विशेष प्रत्यायकत्वम. दिस लक्षण हैज अव्याप्ति इन काकेभ्यो दधिरक्षता. बट परिभाषाकार गिव्स डिफरेंट लक्षण. अतः स्वमतेन अस्याः लक्षणम आह शक्य. What is the lakshana he gave?
Shakya ashakya gochara vrittitvam.
Shakya shakya gochara vrittitvam. This lakshana will be all right. टिप्पणी कंटिन्यूइंग शक्याशक्ययोः साधारण्येन प्रत्यायकत्वं तत्वम्. That which goes in shakya also and ashakya also, both. So he gives example of jahad ajahat. See, we say jahad ajahat means vishishta part is there in both tat and tvam. You drop visheshana, keep the vishesha. Between that chaitanya there is ekatva. He says, what is jahad ajahat? Shakya and ashakya both are revealed. So this is a different way of looking at it. तथा च काकशब्दः काकत्वेन रूपेण शक्यमर्थं त्यक्त्वा अशक्यम् अर्थम् उपघातकत्वेन प्रतिपादयन् अपि श्वादि साधारण्येन काकमपि प्रतिपादयति इति भवति. इति भवति शक्याशक्य प्रतिपादकत्वात् जहदजहल् लक्षणा लक्षण समन्वय इति. सो काकमपि प्रतिपादयति. Shwadi sadharane. Dog, etc. are also covered. Kaka is also covered. So Shakyam Artha is given up, Ashakya Artha is taken as Upaghata. Then as Upaghata, he takes everything. So he thinks this is Jahada Jahal Lakshana. Bhavati Shakya Ashakya Pratipadakatvat. Jahada Jahal Lakshana. You see how he has applied Jahada Jahal? First you do Jahad. Kaka Shabda you give up. Then in the Dadi Upaghataka, you do Ajahat. Means you take Kaka also and you take others also. So Jahad Ajahat according to him is Shakya Ashakya Pratipadak. Okay, anyway, this is his thinking. Now, further. Lakshana bijam tu tatparyanupapattireva na tu anvayanupapattihi. Lakshana bija. When do I take Lakshana? Why do I take Lakshana? Why can't I just use Shakti Vritti? So, is it when there is no Anvaya possible or is it when there is no Tatparya possible? Impossibility of Anvaya or impossibility of Tatparya? So they say impossibility of, Vedantins will say impossibility of Tatparya, not Anvaya. Why? Kakebhyo dadi rakshatam, in that Anvaya is possible. Tatparya is not only in protecting Dadi from crows. Tatparya is in protecting Dadi from crows and anybody else who will damage that Dadi. So Tatparya Anupapatya Lakshana, natu Anvaya Anupapatya. What is the shloka for Lakshana? When do you use Lakshana?
शक्य संबंधो लक्षण.
Shakya Sambandho Lakshana. That is true. Shakya Sambandho Lakshana.
संसर्गो वा विशिष्टो वा वाक्यार्थो नात्र सम्मतः अखण्डैकरसत्वेन वाक्यार्थो विदुषां मतः.
There is no Lakshana. Lakshana definition is different.
मानांतर विरोधे तु मुख्यार्थस्य परिग्रहे
लक्ष्यार्थेन विना भूते
प्रतीतिर्लक्षणम् उच्यते।
मानांतर विरोधेतु. When there is मानांतर विरोध, प्रमाणांतर विरोध, मानांतर विरोधेतु मुख्यार्थस्य, there are two readings, मुख्यार्थस्य परिग्रहे और मुख्यार्थस्य अपरिग्रहे. मुख्यार्थस्य परिग्रहे also you can take, because when you try to take मुख्यार्थ, then there is मानांतर विरोध. Or you say when there is मानांतर विरोध, then you don't take मुख्यार्थ, मुख्यार्थस्य अपरिग्रहे, you drop मुख्यार्थ. Either way you can understand, as long as you understand the meaning. मुख्यार्थस्य परिग्रहे, मुख्यार्थेन विना भूते और अविना भूते, either way they use. अविना भाव means धूमवन्नी है अविना भाव, और मुख्यार्थेन विना भूते, without मुख्यार्थ, pratiti is lakshana, means मुख्यार्थ you will have to drop, that shakyartha you will have to drop. So this part you keep in this way. मानांतर विरोधेतु मुख्यार्थस्य परिग्रहे मुख्यार्थेन विना भूते प्रतीतिर लक्षणोच्यते. Is there in Vakyavritti? हाँ, Vakyavritti person is there.
Yes, Swami.
This shloka is there in Vakyavritti. It has not come yet. This is Lakshana. So where Tatparya Anupapatti is there, not Anvaya Anupapatti. Oh, there is some part of Tika still remaining. Here there is line missing, so it's difficult to know. Anyetu. Anyetu. लक्षणाम विना वाच्यैक देशमात्र परता पदानां न संभवति. गेहे घट इत्यादावपि आधार आधेय भावेन अन्वितयोर गेह घटयोस् तदवच्छेदकत्वेन गेहत्व घटत्वयोर अन्वयात्. अन्य some other people they say लक्षणाम विना वाच्यिक देश मात्र परता पदानां न संभवति. Without lakshana, वाच्यिक देश मात्र परता is not possible, because when it is ghatatva vishishta ghata, only ghata if you take, it has to have lakshana, whether you explicitly say or without saying. Gehe ghata, in this आधार आधेय भावेन अन्वितयोर गेह घटयोः. गेह is आधार, गृह is आधार, घट is आधेय. So there avachedaka is gehatva ghatatva. Gehatva ghatatva yoho anvayat. There avachedaka anvaya is there. Gehe ghata. Avachedakatvena anvaya is possible. So you should not, some people say like this. There are different matams. In the same way, तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्ये अपि साक्षात् अवच्छेदकत्वेन वा अन्वयस्य आवश्यकतया अखंडार्थत्वात् सिद्धिरित्याह. तत्त्वमसि वाक्य सिद्धि we will do साक्षात् अवच्छेदकत्वेन और through लक्षणा. अन्वयस्य आवश्यकतया, अन्वय will happen. अखंडार्थत्व सिद्धिः, अखंडार्थत्वात् सिद्धिः. संप्रति लक्षणा बीजमाह लक्षणा इति तात्पर्य अनुपपत्ति is लक्षणा बीज. This न्याय also will accept. ननु अन्वय अनुपपत्तेस् तद बीजत्व अभावे कथम गंगायाम घोष इति अत्र लक्षणा. In गंगायाम घोष अन्वय is not possible, not तात्पर्य. अन्वयस्य आवश्यकतया अन्वय अनुपपत्तेस् तद बीजत्व अभावे. So the lakshana bija is तात्पर्य अनुपपत्ति, that is not there. कथम गंगायाम घोष इति अत्र लक्षणा इति आशंक्याः. गंगायाम घोष इत्यादौ तात्पर्य अनुपपत्तेः अपि संभवात्. There अन्वय अनुपपत्ति is also there, तात्पर्य अनुपपत्ति is also there. In काकेभ्यो दधि रक्षताम, which is there and which is not there.
Tatparya is not there.
Tatparya is not there, and which is there. Anvaya anupapatti is not there. Tatparya anupapatti is there. In kakebhyo rakshataam, anupapatti, if you use the word anupapatti, then tatparya anupapatti is not there. Means tatparya is possible, is not in kakebhyo rakshataam. Tatparya is anupapanna. Anvaya is possible. Kakebhyo rakshataam, vyakarana and logic both will be appropriate. Logically statement is correct, grammatically statement is correct. But Tatparya is not only in protecting the Dadi from crows. But where Anvaya Anupapatti is not there, like in Gangayam Ghosha, Tatparya Anupapatti is also, means Anvaya is not possible, Gangayam Ghosha, Anvaya Anupapatti is there. Tatparya Anupapatti is also there. Did I make it clear or did I confuse you?
Explain again, Swamiji.
What is Tatparya and what is Anvaya? Tatparya is what is the vivaksha of the vakta. So if I say Kakebhyo Dadi Rakshatam, what is my vivaksha?
Dadi needs to be protected.
From only crows or from anyone?
From all.
From anyone, any animal.
Anyone.
Any animal, bird, any other human being also who just will come and eat the dahi. So, vivaksha is in that. Anvaya is possible. Kakebhyo Dadi Rakshatam, between Kakebhyaha Shabda and Dadi Shabda, Anvaya is possible. So, Anvaya Anupapatti is not there, but Tatparya Anupapatti is there. Therefore, you have to use Lakshana. In Gangayam Ghosha, Anvaya is possible between Ganga and Ghosha?
No.
So, it is Anvaya Anupapatti. So, Purvapakshi says there is only Anvaya Anupapatti. Siddhanti says Tatparya Anupapatti is also there. Because if Anvaya Anupapatti is there, Tatparya Anupapatti is definitely there. Because Tatparya is not in saying Ghosha is in Ganga. Tatparya is in saying Ghosha is in Tira. So it is very simple. See further. यथाशक्ति ही पदमात्र वृत्तिस्तथा वृत्तित्वात् लक्षणा अपि इति नैयायिकास् तान् निराचष्टे लक्षणा च। यथाशक्ति ही पदमात्र वृत्ति, शक्ति इस पदमात्र वृत्ति तथा वृत्तित्वात् लक्षणा अपि इति नैयायिकाः तान् निराचष्टे। लक्षणा is also पदमात्र वृत्ति, शक्ति इस पदमात्र वृत्ति, लक्षणा इज वृत्ति. Yes, so lakshana also is padamatra vritti. Means Naiyayikas, they say lakshana should be only in pada, not in vakya also. Siddhanti says lakshana cha na padamatra vrittihi kintu vakya vritti rapi. According to Vedanta, lakshana is not only in pada, but lakshana is also in
Vakya.
vakya. Lakshana is in pada as well as lakshana is in vakya, according to Vedanta. According to Nyaya, lakshana is only in pada. Tika. Ukta anumane shaktitvam upadhi. In this anumana, shaktitvam is upadhi. See in tika, lakshana padamatra in tippani. Lakshana padamatra vritti, vrittihi, vrittitvat, shaktivat. In this anumana, shaktitvam, okay, upadhi part we will have to see in the next class. Just see the Moolam part, we'll complete that. Yatha gambhirayam nadyam ghosha iti yatra gambhirayam nadyam iti padadvaya samudayasya tire lakshana. Gambhirayam nadyam ghosha. Nadyam ghosha. So, in this gambhirayam nadyam, in both pada, we will do lakshana. Padadvaya samu means both padas we will take and lakshana will be only in tira. So this is vakya. Gambhirayam nadyam ghosha iti atra gambhirayam nadyam iti padadvaya samudayasya tire lakshana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Pranam Swamiji.